Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, before we get started with the lesson today, I just want to recap on some of the techniques as I do as an artist. As you can see, step 1, really sketchy and loose. Step 2, a little bit more detail. And step 3, getting at the details really refined. You can even go further past step 3, make more details and tighter lines and everything. These 3 steps I share with you are just really quick sketches on all these past videos, but practicing becoming a better artist is sketching. So before we start our lesson today, I have a real quick technique I want to show you how I sketch. And if you practice that technique and do it over and over again, I guarantee you, you'll be a better artist and you'll enjoy art and you're experimenting with it as well. All right, so if you have your pencil paper, I didn't share what we're going to do first. Sorry. Well, today's lesson, we're going to be doing a fun little turtle with a whole bunch of fish in the water. Part of my little friend fish gang and everything. And excited, my comic book is about done and it's in the market any moment now. And I'm going to be recapping that also in another video. So before getting started with this, as I say time and time again, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. All right, so let's do some practicing sketching. So the first thing I like to do is just get my hand in the motion, and before I start that circle, as you see, I go very light and then I get a little heavier and heavier. Now I'm just doing like a shape of an oval, same thing. I kind of just sketch out really quick. It's not one line, it's one line over another. I go a little heavier and heavier. As you can see here, I'm using my typical mechanical pencil, but I may use a blue pencil first to light it in first, but as I can see, the videos are harder to see with the blue, so I chose to use a traditional lead-based pencil right now. But as you can see how I'm sketching here, it's just very loose and random shapes I'm just creating around there. So when you're looking at some of my cartoons or some of my illustrations, they all have basic shapes in there, and I can like put the crosshairs for the face on there, or for an object over in there, crosshair, the body, the shape here that's going to be a little bit heavier, or then right now if I'm going to make like a 3-dimensional box, same thing, or if a gift box. All right, so that's a great thing, the tool to use is constantly practicing your sketching. All right, let's begin today's lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed working on that turtle and all those little fishies around him. As I can say from time to time, practicing, practice, but also challenge yourself to take it to the next level. So when you see something dimensional, see it in your eyes and see how you can rotate it 3-dimensionally in your eye, the character or the object. And that's by sketching and practicing, taking out a little character or model in front of you and just rotating it and everything. So the more you practice, the better you'll get. So I just want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.